lelizwe linjani elivumela wonke umuntu. Ngeke ngakhuluma udaba la izolo ukuthi izolo akekho umuntu ongafika sama nomfowethu ndabandaba ongafika emzini wendoda yakhile bese efike elala nezingane zakhona zonke ezimithisa zonke akafiki nemfazi akafiki namuntu ekungabi indaba zalutho asike lapho izingane zakhona azenze zibe ngomahosha futhi adayise nezidakamizwa ngoba inhloso yabo ukuthi bazo-organize kanje emveni kweminyaka mhlawumbe u10 kuya 20 lelizwe bafuna ukulithatha kube ngelabo. That is their ultimate goal.
How do you ensure that your participation does not fuel xenophobia?
Is not at all xenophobic. Amanga lawa aqanjwa abantu abayizahluleki. When you have failed, you just point things around. There's no xenophobic, there's no racism, there is no tribalism. Here we are one thing. As we are here in Pretoria, from KwaZulu-Natal, thina sinosinga lwempi, usinga lwempi sithi ke obaba omkhulu bethu nokhokho bethu abanqobe esandwana akabebe nathi kulombhidlango idolobha nedolobha South Africa, every corner of South Africa. Can everyone stand up? We need ophakela umthakathi ongizwe no Jacinta to make sure that we clean up and sweep all the provinces and all our cities, because all cities are looted as a result of these illegal immigrants that are here in our own country.
Thank you very much.
Can our government listen to us? Listen to us. We are angry and we are tired and we are fearless.